Hello and welcome to a new video from the Digital SAT course. In this video, we're gonna tackle one of the words in context questions or sentence completion questions. These questions can be tackled in 3 steps. The first step is to read the context and to try to find some clues. The second step is to use the clues to come up with a prediction of what can fit or go in a blank in here. And the third and final step is to skim the answer choices so you can find a good match to your prediction. Now let's get started. On the basis of extensive calculations and models, astronomers in the 1990s predicted that the collision of 2 neutron stars or a neutron star and a black hole could release a massive burst of gamma rays in an event called a kilonova. This blank was confirmed with observations in 2017. A very important clue in this text is the first word in the second sentence and immediately before the blank, which is the word this. And this we can call it a pointer because it points back to something that was mentioned earlier in the text. And this, in this case, refers back to the prediction, and the prediction is based on extensive calculations. Having this clue in mind, I'm gonna think of a word that means something like a prediction that is based on extensive calculations. So it can be this hypothesis or this speculation. Now I'm gonna go to skim the answer choices and having this prediction in my mind. Answer choice A says theory, and theory here can be a good match because theory means an explanation that is scientifically accepted. So it can mean like a prediction that is based on extensive calculation. So I'm gonna tick next to A, and then I'm gonna go through the other answer choices so I can be sure that A is the only correct answer. Answer choice B says evidence or proof. It was only a prediction, but it was not a proof, so B is not correct. C is constant. Constant is something that does not change. For sure, it is not a prediction or something that means like a prediction, so C is not correct. And the last answer choice is D, which is an experiment. An experiment is a scientific test, which is not a good match to our prediction in here. So the only correct answer choice is A, which is a theory that means something like a prediction that is based on extensive calculations. So don't forget that this is a pointer, or that refers back to something that was mentioned earlier, and this is very important. So in words in context questions, or we can call them sentence completion questions, whenever find any of the demonstrative pronouns like this, that, those, and these, you must know that these are pointers because they point back to something that was mentioned earlier in the text. Thank you and see you soon in another video.